Okay, y'all, so I'm super excited about this item. I'm gonna tell y'all why, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. It's really big and pops open like super easily. I know you can't really tell what it is from that. I don't know if I'm gonna put what it is in the title or not, but we're going to unzip it. And I'm actually gonna smell it. Okay, y'all, I was really concerned that this was going to smell like mothballs. And one thing about me is I can't stand the smell of mothballs. Like top two smells that I really don't like. Oh, y'all can't even see what I'm doing. Can we see this? Okay, let me put this away. Okay, so y'all know me. Y'all know I love a good vintage item. And y'all know I have a couple of vintage bags, including one that I got, was it last year? I finally got my birthday bag, which is actually a piece of luggage, but it was made by Louis Vuitton in the exact month and year that I was born. And I'm always looking for everything like made the year I was born. I'm not 100% sure when this was made, but they said it was made in the 1990s. And so therefore I feel like it was meant for me to get this one, that it was probably made in my birth year. But I got this from the RealReal. Leaving the tag on here because I have some more inspection to do. But this is a vintage mink coat in excellent condition. Like I said, they said this was made in the 1990s, so probably as old as I am. And your girl is over 30 officially. So, and they put this on 3 hangers. Like, it is kind of heavy though. But it's a full length. I will insert some pictures of me wearing this, I'm sure, so you can see exactly where it falls on me. But y'all, I did not even know what the inside was like because, okay, the RealReal is like, it's good because they have furs for like really good prices, but they give you 3 pictures. Like, you really be buying stuff based on faith on the RealReal because ma'am, sir, where are the pictures at? Like, literally, there were 3 pictures of this item. That's it. None of them were up on the inside. So I love that this is a polka dot lining. So cute. And usually I have seen on some of the fur coat descriptions where they were like, okay, it's personalized at the interior. This one didn't have that, but it is definitely personalized. And one of the initials wasn't H. This was meant to be. It really was. It was meant to be. But yeah, I don't know what else I could say about, oh, this is the back. This is why I need to show y'all. For gorgeous. How gorgeous. How gorgeous is this? And it's in such good condition. Like, amazing condition. This is my first vintage fur, so super duper excited about it. Now, let me go try it on and make sure it fits. Okay, so we're back. The coat fits me perfectly. Like, that's the other thing. Tips for buying on the RealReal. So a lot of these older vintage coats will not have sizes. And obviously, like I said, some of them probably were custom made to fit the people, you know, and have the personalizations and everything in them. So you will have to look at the measurements. I looked at the measurements. Know your measurements. In general, in order to get the clothing that's going to fit you the best, you should know your measurements. So definitely very important for me because I have like broad shoulders and bigger arms. And then like my top is smaller, and then I have big hips and thighs because I'm pear shaped. Know your measurements, y'all. It's super duper important because they will have the measurements posted, even though like, and they'll group things into sizes, but you really need to look at the measurements in order to truly know whether the item is going to fit you or not. So that's what I did. Like I said, I know my measurements. So this fits me perfectly, like perfectly. And can we get into this color? So this is, I'm not super knowledgeable about fur, but I think this is like a mahogany. If you are and I'm wrong, let me know, because you know, obviously I need to know more about what's going on with my coat. But yeah, it's like a really rich, really deep brown color. When I first sent it to my husband like online, he was like, I thought it was black. And I'm like, no, it's not black. It's just like a really, really dark brown. That's what color it is. But yeah, so super cute. And like I said, I will definitely have like full spread pictures and everything for y'all. But yeah, I'm so glad that I was able to give this vintage piece a new home. I feel like it was meant for me. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy it. And yeah, that's what I love about well-made vintage items. Like they can be enjoyed by one person, passed on to somebody else, passed down through generations. And you know, instead of little cheap items that are going to last you 2 seconds and you know, they're gonna end up in a landfill somewhere very soon. But yeah, super cute, love it. Any questions or things I should know about owning a mink, let me know because your girl needs help. Okay, so fun fact, I actually ordered this on a Saturday when it was literally 80 degrees outside. Cause y'all know I stay in the South. It's hot, but I'm gonna wear this coat. Okay, she will get worn. She definitely will get worn. But yeah, those are the types of things that I do. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.